Recently, motivational videos with deep voices have become very popular and are attracting a lot of attention. Let me show you 2 examples of channels that made $10,000 just by uploading motivational stoicism videos. The first channel, Stoic Bond, gained 129K subscribers and millions of views with only 28 videos. The second channel, Stoic Life Lessons, gained 56K subscribers with just uploading 28 videos. Creating these faceless videos is very easy with AI tools. I'll show you exactly how to start your own YouTube automation channel using this method and earn thousands of dollars. You might think there are already stoicism tutorials on YouTube, but the problem is that they often use difficult methods and paid tools. In this video, I'll make a deep voice stoicism video using only free AI tools without spending a single dollar. First, let's understand stoicism. It's an ancient philosophy that teaches important lessons on resilience, self-control, and mental clarity. People are always looking for ways to improve their lives, and a stoicism channel can provide the guidance they need. This niche also has a high CPM, which means you can earn more per 1,000 views compared to other niches. Plus, you can get good sponsorships and sell your own products like motivational books. This niche is beneficial from every angle. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you'll learn everything you need to start your own YouTube automation channel. We'll cover script writing, AI voiceovers, stock footage, background music, video editing, and creating our first video together by using all free software. At the end of the video, I'll reveal a secret to quickly grow this type of channel in a very short amount of time. Before we begin our motivational stoicism video creation process, today's video is sponsored by VMEG. It makes it easy to turn your ideas into stunning videos. Simply click on Try Free, then sign up and just upload your raw clips, add product details, and with one click, create stunning short videos for your brand. VMEG's features include AI marketing voiceover, automatic video subtitles, and video effects to enhance the quality of your content. I've pasted the link to their website in the description below. Check out this short video created with VMEG.
Ever stepped into a place and just knew your day was about to get better? Sitting here at Brew Haven, surrounded by good vibes and even better conversations. Feels like discovering Brew Haven was like finding treasure. Fresh pastries that melt in. Every sip at Brew Haven brings me joy and warmth. It's not just about coffee.
So, without further delay, let's start the video. First, check out this video we're going to create.
In the realm of existence, amidst the tumultuous currents of fate, there exists a path.
Now, let's create this complete video. For script writing, we are using ChatGPT, a free online tool that helps write scripts quickly. I have a prompt that generates scripts perfect for stoicism channels, and it even includes quotes from Stoic legends like Seneca and Aurelius. I'll include the full prompt in the description. To use the prompt, just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. You can use this prompt to start with this topic. And if you want to explore other topics, just change this line and write your own topic in which you want to create video. Once you paste the prompt and press enter, the entire script will be created. The script will be generated with a wise tone that suits a stoicism channel. A script with around 1,500 to 1,600 words results in an 8 to 10 minute video. Longer videos tend to make more money per 1,000 views. Now that we have our script from ChatGPT, let's move on to the next step, voiceover for the video. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and comment down below to encourage me to keep making more helpful videos for you. To create the voiceover, we'll use an AI text-to-speech tool called 11 Labs. It's one of the best tools for making voiceovers with the right tone and sound. First, sign up for a free account and go to the speech section. You'll see an interface where you can paste your text and convert it to speech. You can choose from various voices, but for this tutorial, we'll use the voice library and search for Marcus. It has a deep, authoritative voice that's perfect for our video. Let's listen to the sample.
Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love.
Next, you'll paste your script and generate the voiceover. I'll go ahead and paste my script and click on Generate since we don't need to adjust anything. Once it's done, click the download button at the bottom right corner. Now your deep voice is ready to use. Alright, let's move to the next step, creating AI images for our video. We'll use an AI image generator called Leonardo AI. This amazing tool lets us create multiple images in the same style. You can create a free account on Leonardo AI, which gives you about 150 credits, enough for all our images. Once you're inside the tool, click on Image Generation on the left side of the screen. Change the dimensions to 16 by 9 and leave everything else as is. I've left a prompt in the description for you. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to produce up to 15 prompts based on the script. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated all the prompts we need. Next, copy each prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. Hit Generate, and after a few seconds, you'll have 4 images. Repeat this process for each prompt from ChatGPT to get as many images as you need. Another method to generate AI images is by using a website called 𝐂𝐿𝐄𝐄. It's a wonderful AI image generator that also creates high-quality images. You can use this site to get multiple images for your video as well. Next, we move on to our last step, video editing. This is the most important part, so listen carefully. I'll explain it simply, so don't worry. We use 2 free software tools for editing, Canva and CapCut. First, open Canva and click on the video template. Upload all the images generated from the AI tool. Once uploaded, drag the first image onto the timeline and adjust the time duration according to your audio. Do this for all images. Next, click on the Animate option, scroll down, and select Photo Zoom. Adjust the scale for each image. Then, click between 2 images on the timeline and select Add Transition. Choose Dissolve and adjust the duration. Add transitions to all images this way. Next, go to the Elements option in the sidebar and search for Old Film. Choose a video that suits you and adjust it on the main screen video. Lower the transparency of the old film video, then drag it onto the images on the timeline. Your video is ready. Click on the Share button and download it. Now, for voice and background music, we use CapCut. Open CapCut and import the video and the AI-generated voiceover from 11 Labs. Drag the video and audio onto the timeline. Click on the text option in the upper bar and select Auto Caption, then click Generate Caption. Adjust the captions to the middle and increase their size. For background music, go to the website Pixabay, which offers free stock images, videos, and music. Search for Ancient Mysterious Music and choose a track. I chose Mysterious. Download the music and import it into CapCut. Drag the background music onto the timeline and lower the volume. Finally, export the video. You've now completed the entire process, and your first faceless video is ready to go live. As promised, here are some tips to quickly grow your channel. Always search for hot trending topics your competitors are discussing. Follow your competitors in your niche, but don't copy their style. Grab ideas from them and be consistent in uploading videos. It takes time, but once your channel is monetized, you can hire freelancers to do your work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, here is the final product after a lot of hard work.
In the realm of existence, amidst the tumultuous currents of fate, there exists a path tread by those who dare to confront the chaos with unwavering resolve. This path, illuminated by the ancient wisdom of stoicism, beckons the seeker of inner mastery. A journey not for the faint-hearted, but for those who yearn to sculpt their soul into a fortress of virtue. 1. Embrace adversity. Picture the stoic figure amidst the storm, unmoved by the torrents that threaten to engulf lesser souls. Adversity, in all its forms, is not an obstacle but a whetstone for the spirit. Embrace it as the sculptor embraces the chisel, shaping character with each strike.